How to install a ceiling light. Installing a ceiling light is a straightforward DIY job and an easy way to update your room style. You just need a couple of tools and some simple pointers. So, let's get started. Tools. For tools, you will need a screwdriver, wire cutters, a voltage meter, and a ladder. Unboxing. So let's see what's in the box. Ceiling lights are either flush mount, meaning they install flush to the ceiling, or semi-flush mount and have a short down rod that extends them down. Both include a canopy that covers the electrical connections. Today, we are installing a semi-flush mount, but the principles for both types are the same. Wiring and installation. To do the wiring, make sure the power is disconnected. The power wall switch should be in the off position. Plus, turn the power off at the breaker box. Use a voltage meter to double check. There will be 3 wires, a white, black, and a copper ground wire. Lift the fixture and screw the mounting bar to the electrical box. Wrap the copper ground wire around the junction box grounding screw, tighten it, then connect the wire's end to the light's ground wire. Then strip around a 1/2 inch of insulation from the white and black wires. Use a twist-on connector to join the white wire to the junction box's white wire. Do the same with the black wire. Carefully tuck the wires into the junction electrical box and secure the canopy or any glass elements. Install bulbs if need be, then turn the power back on and enjoy. Safety first. Safety is of top importance when working with electrical connections. Make sure you fully read and follow the manufacturer's instructions. If you are not comfortable working with wiring, we strongly recommend using the services of a licensed professional electrician. Like and follow for more tips and ideas. Visit lanceplus.com.